Imagine this. You only have $100 in your bank account. Your rent is due in 30 days. Your fridge is almost empty. Instead of worrying, you decide to turn that $100 into $10,000, using only the stupidest side hustles you can find on the internet. Selling feet pictures, renting out your fridge space, snorting hot Cheetos on camera. All of it. Will I actually make $10,000, or will I go completely broke and look like an idiot? Something crazy happens on day 27. You have to watch till the end. Let's do this. What's up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. I am Money Booster. I test the dumbest money ideas so you don't have to. I roast bad advice and turn chaos into cash. If you like funny finance with zero boring parts, hit subscribe right now. Today, we are not doing safe things. No index funds, no normal advice. We're using only the stupidest side hustles on the internet. I started with exactly $100, real money, 30 days, no fakes. Let's see if we can turn 100 into 10,000, or if I just embarrass myself for your entertainment. Here are the rules. Only use the dumbest ideas I find online. Spend no more than the starting $100. Film every single fail and win. Daily updates in this video. If I hit $10,000, I will donate 10% to charity. If I fail, I will post my most embarrassing moment for you to roast me. Deal? Day 1 starts now. Days 1 to 3, the feet picture disaster. I spent $15 on lotion and a ring light, took 47 pictures of my feet, posted them on weird websites. First sale came in, $8. I felt rich for 11 seconds. Then the buyer asked for special angles. Hard pass. After 3 days, I made $12 profit, but my dignity went negative $47. At least my feet are soft now. Day 4 to 7, renting out my fridge space. I cleared old ketchup and listed premium fridge shelf for $5 a day. One guy actually paid to store his energy drinks. Next day, the cans exploded inside my fridge. Now my fridge smells like regret. I made $28, but spent $9 on baking soda. Net profit, $19. My fridge is now cleaner than my life choices. Day 8 to 12, AI pet memes. I used free AI to make ugly cat memes with my neighbor's cat. Sold them as digital downloads for $3 each. One broke-looking cat meme went a little viral. Made $87 in 2 days. Then someone commented the cat looks like it owes child support. Sales died. Still, total so far, $142. The internet is weird, but sometimes it pays. Days 13 to 18, the Hot Cheeto Challenge. I bought $20 of hot Cheetos and milk, filmed myself snorting one on camera, sent the video to 50 snack companies hoping for a brand deal. 0 brand deals, but the video got 12,000 views. Someone sent $50 super chat saying, "Never do that again." From this stunt and silly videos, I made $310. My nose is still burning. Day 17, I tried professional sleeping for a study. They almost kicked me out for snoring too loud. Day 19 to 24, flipping free stuff from the dumpsters. I found broken lamps and old sneakers, spent $10 cleaning them, sold the junk for $180. One pair of sneakers sold for $45 even with duct tape. I also helped the guy with feeder roaches for a small cut. No, I did not start a roach farm. My landlord would kill me. This week, I added $680. Total now, $1,450. Halfway through the month, and I am not broke yet. This feels dangerous. Day 25 to 29, user-generated content for ugly socks. I got paid $120 per video pretending to love them. Then I did voiceovers for weird animations. My friends heard one and still quote it. Day 27, plot twist. One of my dumb meme videos got picked up by a bigger creator. Affiliate sales started going crazy. I checked at 2 in the morning and almost dropped my phone. We crossed $4,200, then $6,800 by day 29. Final day, 30. I woke up nervous. After all the feet pics, exploding energy drinks, and questionable decisions, the total was $9,847. So close. I made one last stupid move. I sold my 30 Days of Dumb Hustle's failure story as a cheap digital guide for $9.99. Sold 17 copies in 4 hours. Final total, $10,216. We actually did it, with feet pictures, exploding energy drinks, and looking stupid every single day. Here's the real lesson. The internet pays people who move fast and are willing to look dumb. You don't need a perfect idea. You need to try stupid ideas until one works. Start with whatever small money you have. Test weird stuff. Fail in public. Learn quickly. If a guy who rented fridge space and snorted hot Cheetos can cross $10,000, what's stopping you? Drop in the comments which stupid hustle I should try next. Like the video if you laughed. Subscribe for more crazy money challenges. I'll see you in the next one, where we try to turn 10,000 into 100,000 with even dumber ideas. Peace. And please do not send me feet picture requests.